Let's find out what our chartists make of the market and trade setup. We've got Soni Patnaik as well as Kunal Bothra joining in. And Kunal, let me come to you. Just a whisper away from that 25K mark. The broader markets came off quite sharply. How are you looking at the trade setup?
Yeah, good morning. So the setup was quite okay for the markets yesterday. The first half was very encouraging, where the Nifty had come back towards that 24,800 breakout, on the verge of breaking past about the 25,000 mark. But I think what was the highlight for the day yesterday was the comeback in PSU banking names, and many of the PSU banking stocks which were going through their phase of 3-month, 5-month kind of a correction. I think that consolidation seems to be now over for many of the PSU banking names. You saw the auto stocks also making a strong comeback. So I think it's again a sector rotation, which is playing up pretty well, where the markets were expecting that a few of the sectors would continue to underperform, but then you've seen those changes happening, and the sectors which were underperforming, they've now started to make a comeback, and this looks like not just a couple of days of rally for these sectors. This looks like a definite trend in the making. So we could probably be looking at a better upside for many of these auto stocks in the PSU banking themes as such. Overall, 24,500 now becomes a crucial short-term support. I think that's what the previous resistance was for the index. So till the time we trade above these levels, the trend looks to be on the upside, and we can expect maybe a couple of days of consolidation before we dash back again closer to an attempt for the 25,000 mark.
Okay, Soni, hi, afternoon, or rather morning. What is it that you're seeing in terms of a trend? Where do you think sectoral leadership and the pressure is going to come in from if we were to continue to consolidate or correct a little bit today?
Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me on the show. So I think if we talk about Nifty, I think that 25,000 is top. It's done and dusted. I don't see it going past 25,000. If you look at yesterday's option metrics, you can see on the put side, the additions of open interest has been at 24,000 put, which is like really far from current levels. And rest of all the at the money options, they've shown unwinding of put open interest, which is indicating that a correction could be just around the corner. On the call side, we saw aggressive writing taking place at 25,000, 24,900, which is indicating that the resistance is going to remain at this level, and this could just be the top that the market were looking forward. So obviously, I mean, it's a bit I'm just preempting over here that the correction could come. Any break below 24,700, you will see Nifty heading towards 24,400. Below that, even 24,000 could get tested. So I think that's how the markets are forming right now, and the sectoral leadership position that can take place could still be in pharma and consumption space. I think these are the two sectors to look forward to. Remain a bit cautious, remain hedged when it comes to indices. It's not that you'll see the correction happening immediately or at one go. It's just wise to go step by step and just remain hedged and stick to sectoral and stock specific strategy.
Let's nail